So, what's on the agenda for today?
Now that your offer has been accepted, what's next? Well, it's time to open up escrow. The escrow company is a neutral third party who helps throughout the process. They will also work with the title company to make sure the property has a clear title, meaning there are not any outstanding liens on the home, and also that the home is actually owned by the seller and can be sold to you. Now is the time to get your inspections done on the home, review disclosures from your seller, secure the loan for your property, and get the appraisal done. It's such an exciting time, but we need to make sure that we are on top of everything so we don't miss any of our contractual timelines. If you are securing a loan on the property, it's imperative that you are in regular communication with your lender so we can secure your financing. In regards to the appraisal on the property, the goal is for the appraisal to come in at the value we are in contract for. If it doesn't, depending on what we've negotiated in the contract, we may need to go back and renegotiate the price.
No, not again. Come on.
Now, we are also working towards getting final loan approval so that we can order loan documents. Once you know the home has appraised for what you are in contract for and your loan is secure, you're one step closer to home ownership. During this time frame, we will order inspections for the property. Typically, we recommend you do a termite, roof, and professional home inspection. Depending on the property, there may be other inspections that need to be done, and I can advise you on that as well.
What else you got in your bag of tricks, Mr. Gecko?
Once all the inspections are done, I will meet with you to review the reports along with the disclosures from the seller. This is when I will discuss all of the documentation and decide if any items in the home need to be repaired or if I need to request any credits for repairs from the seller.
You like money, right?
There are lots of things that happen once we get our offer accepted, and these are just a few. Call or DM me to continue the conversation. Allow me to be your trusted resource when it comes to real estate. As always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.